cruise lines are making itinerary changes due to Helene. Hello. And welcome to my channel. My name is Jack. And I am back. So I guess you can say that I am back. Jack. Cruise lines are adjusting itineraries due to the current path of Helene, which is impacting the Gulf of Mexico. According to the Weather Channel, the storm is expected to reach major hurricane intensity ahead of landfall late Thursday in Florida. Carnival Cruise Line changed itineraries for 5 ships, including the Carnival Paradise and the Carnival Valor, which canceled visits to Cozumel on Tuesday. The Carnival Breeze also canceled a visit to Cozumel on Wednesday, while the Carnival Breeze had to cancel visits to Grand Cayman and Cozumel. With Jacksonville and Tampa expected to be impacted by Helene's landfall, the upcoming cruises of the Carnival Elation and the Carnival Paradise may be adjusted. Royal Caribbean International is changing the itineraries of at least 5 ships, such as the Wonder of the Seas. Instead of sailing to the Western Caribbean this week, the vessel is offering an alternative itinerary in the Eastern Caribbean. The Serenade of the Seas is also being rerouted from the Western Caribbean. Sailing from Tampa, the ship is now offering a cruise to the Bahamas. Similar changes were also made to the itineraries of the Mariner of the Seas, the Grandeur of the Seas, and the Independence of the Seas, which canceled planned ports of call in the Western Caribbean. Margaritaville at Seas Islander canceled a visit to Key West on Wednesday and may also have its return to Tampa, which is scheduled for September 29, impacted. Sailing from Port Canaveral, the MSC Seashore is set to return to Port Canaveral later than initially scheduled due to Helene. According to a statement shared with guests on board, the MSC Cruises vessel is only expected to return to its home port 1 day later, on September 27. Offering a 7-night cruise from Port Canaveral, Disney Cruise Line's Fantasy also reportedly canceled a visit to Grand Cayman on Tuesday. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my video so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy sailing.